Okay, my YouTube people, today I'm working on the chopper to get it running. Hopefully you saw the video before this one where I did the neck bearings. If not, at the end of the video I will have it right there. You can check that video out. But the other issue that the chopper has is a dead battery. This battery's not that old. I buy these cheap glass mat 12 volt batteries because they're the smallest battery I can find that fits underneath the transmission. So where is the battery on this bike? It resides under the transmission right there. You can see that's the voltage regulator, and that's the battery. There's another shot of it there. So I have to drop that plate, get the battery out to replace it. Get that battery out, I have 3 nuts back here. 1, 2, 3. Those studs are welded to the stainless steel plate that's under there that holds everything. And that wire right there is the ground from the battery to the frame. That stainless steel plate has a 90 bent on it. I have 2 bolts that go into the back of the frame piece right there. Now that stainless plate is slotted. So all I have to do is loosen those 2 bolts and then drop it down. Alright, now I have it on the ground. I'm going to pull the battery aside and unwire it. Now that I have the plate on the ground, I'm going to pull the battery aside and unwire it. You can see the dual fire coil there, the regulator. One thing I always like to do before I put a new battery in is check to make sure it's got a good charge. Here's the old battery. It's at 6.1 volts. I had this on charge for 24 hours, and as soon as I took the charger off, it dropped to 9 volts within 2 minutes. So I knew it was bad. Here's the new battery. I had this on the charger for about 10 minutes. It was 12.6 volts before I charged it. Now it's up to 13.1 volts. Now I have the new battery dated. I'll install it. Okay, there it is. New battery installed. It's all good to go. Another shot at it there. Now I'm going to start it up and go for a ride. And there you have it, back to running like it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.